Okay guys, welcome back to How To's channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook search history. So let's dive in. The first step is open your Facebook, and the next step is come to your search button here, you can see, and the next step is click on see all, and these are the search history that you have. These are all the search history that you have. So now if you want to clear all the search history, just click on clear all, and you're going to ask, do you want to clear also? I'm not going to clear also, I'm going to cancel. But if you want to clear each one, just look at this, and this X, just click on X. You can see, click on X, and you've started clearing any one that you want to clear. And if you want to clear all, click on clear all, but I'm not going to clear all, so just click on it, and you can be clicking on this your X, and this is it. You automatically clean on erasing your search button. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button and the comment, and any tutorial you want us to teach you, you can put down your comments, and trust me, I'm going to go straight to it. So guys, thank you.